Do you need a remote job that doesn't require any experience? I have you covered. The first company you can explore is ChatDesk. They hire entry-level, independent contractors to work from home, providing customer support via social media, text, email, and chat. In these flexible part-time opportunities, you can create your own schedule, work from anywhere, and you never have to speak on the phone. In these positions, you'll represent companies on social media and other platforms. You'll respond to emails and social media messages, and you'll provide meaningful and an engaging experience. No experience is needed for these positions. However, you must provide your own computer and internet access. You must have excellent communication skills, and if you have fluency in another language, that's a huge plus. ChatDesk gets a 4.4-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The second company you can explore is Back Office Betties, and they are hiring full-time virtual receptionists / legal intake specialists. For these customer service roles, 0 experience is needed, and the salary is $16 to $18 per hour. For these positions, you must reside in Arizona, Nevada, Pennsylvania, Texas, or Florida. While they do prefer candidates with customer service or telephone experience, it is not required, and you will also need a quiet home office space and fast internet speeds. Back Office Betties provides a wide variety of benefits, including all of the equipment you'll need to do your job. Back Office Betties gets a 4.1-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The third company you can explore is Inbox Done. They hire independent contractors to provide email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistance, customer service, social media assistance, data entry, and more. No experience is needed for these positions. However, they are looking for applicants with high levels of empathy and emotional intelligence. You should also be looking for a long-term gig. You should be self-motivated and self-taught, and you should be open to constructive feedback. In these independent contracting positions, you'll earn $17 per hour. Inbox Done also provides paid holidays and unlimited retention and upgrade bonuses. Inbox Done gets a 4.9-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fourth company you can explore is Smithai. They are hiring virtual receptionists in the US and Mexico. In these positions, you'll answer calls, take messages, and help the caller with their needs. For these positions, you'll need to be an excellent multitasker. You should have access to a high-speed internet connection. You'll need the ability to work flexible hours in a quiet office setting, and you should be an excellent communicator, and you should have proficient computer skills. Smith.ai operates 24/7, 365 days a year. They offer flexible hours. However, you must work a minimum of 30 hours a week, and you can work up to 40. The starting pay rate is $15 an hour and $16 an hour if you are bilingual. They offer paid training, and healthcare benefits are available for agents working over 30 hours a week. Smith.ai gets a 3.6-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. The fifth and final company you can explore is LiveWorld, and they hire independent contractors for social media positions. In these freelance roles, you may review and take appropriate action on social media posts. You may triage and respond to customers' questions, and you may actively engage with customers online. For these positions, you'll need to have excellent communication skills, strong keyboarding skills. You'll need to be an excellent multitasker, and you should have demonstrated personal or professional success engaging in a social channel. While they do prefer candidates that have experience, it is not required. LiveWorld gets a 3.7-star rating out of 5 on Glassdoor.com. For more work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.